Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real. Stop struggling with a slow or unpredictable browser. Learn exactly how to see active Safari extensions on your iPhone or iPad in just a few minutes. If you've ever felt your iPhone was a bit sluggish when browsing, or weird pop-ups appeared, it might be due to extensions you don't even know are running. It's a common issue, but the fix is surprisingly simple. Did you know that Safari on iPhone and iPad now supports browser extensions, just like on a desktop? Starting with iOS 15, Apple introduced support for tools like ad blockers, password managers, and language translators, all built right into Safari. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to not only see which extensions are active, but also how to manage them for better performance and privacy. We'll make sure your Safari is running exactly how you want it to. It's all about taking back control of your browser. Fun fact break. Did you know that Safari was originally codenamed Alexander before its public release? Apple has a history of using codenames for its major projects. Also, the concept of browser extensions was popularized in the mid-2000s, completely changing how we personalize our internet experience. Step 1. All of these controls live in your main settings app, not in Safari itself. So, find and tap on that familiar gray gear icon to get started. A quick tip. If you have a lot of apps, just swipe down from the middle of your home screen to bring up the search bar and type Settings to find it instantly. Step 2. Once you're in Settings, you'll see a long list of options. You need to scroll down quite a bit, past the main Apple ID, Wi-Fi, and General sections. Keep going until you see the block of Apple's own apps. Tap on Safari. Step 3. Now you're in the dedicated settings for Safari. Again, scroll down until you see a section labeled General. Inside this section, you'll find the Extensions option. Tap on that. This is the central hub for all your iPhone browser extensions. Step 4. All right, you've made it. This screen shows every Safari extension you have installed. You can immediately see which ones are active because it will say On next to their name. Any that are off will say Off. These extensions usually come from apps you've installed like password managers or shopping assistants. Notice that Share Across Devices toggle? If that's on, your extension settings will sync between your iPhone and iPad, which is super convenient. Step 5. To turn one off, just tap on the extension you want to manage. This takes you to its specific settings page. At the very top, you'll see a toggle for Allow Extension. Simply tap this switch to turn it off. The change is instant. When you go back to the previous screen, you'll see its status is now off. That's it. Now for a pro tip on managing your Safari privacy settings. On that same screen where you disable an extension, look at the Permissions section. This is crucial. Some extensions ask for permission to read web page contents. You have control here. You can choose to allow it on all websites, deny it, or have it ask you every single time, which is the most secure option. Reviewing these settings is a fantastic way to protect your privacy. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you now know exactly how to see what extensions are active in Safari, how to disable them, and how to manage their permissions. No more wondering what's slowing down your browser. You are in complete control. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more easy-to-follow tech tips from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments, what other iPhone feature confuses you? I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.